I wonder if this poor soul down here behind me is alive. Fuck, he looks in bad shape, man. I guess that red stuff down there is red wine. Fuck. Welcome to San Pedro de Atacama, bro. Right, 30-kilometer cycle back into San Pedro. Just been to the salt lagoons. But check out this view. Wow. These salt flats go for a couple 100 kilometers down there south. I was going to head down to Piney and then cycle across it, but I just won't be able to carry the water. So I chickened out a little bit, actually. I came 100 kilometers from Calama to San Pedro, and I ran out of water. I emptied the whole 6 liters. By the time I got to San Pedro, the 6 liters was gone, which means I would need 12, and I just don't want to carry the weight. Can't see shit. So, fuck, it's still like, I don't know what it is, but the weather map lies here, man. It says it was only 26 in the middle of the day, but it was definitely hotter than I've. It had to be in the 30s. Going off a snack. Found the spot last night where you get a quarter of a chicken for almost nothing, and it's been roasted. So I'm pretty sure it was down this street, but I can't remember exactly. Gonna go back there, find out. Okay, hole in the wall place in San Pedro. Hole in the wall because I couldn't find it for like 25 minutes. But anyway, this is all it is, but it was exceptional money for value. And this is a typical kind of like, I guess, Chilean salad with a chicken leg. That's it. You got mayo, mustard, ahi, ketchup, and as I said, salad's fresh, chicken is delicious. Who's complaining, man? Not me, bro.